I'm Sibylle Riedmiller. I'm educational planner and have worked most of my life in the aid industry. And when I came to Zanzibar in '91 for a consultancy, this was a Finnish aid on environment education, action plan, what can be done. So I negotiated for 4 years with 7 government ministries for this Chumbe Island to be turned into a marine park, which is not for profit. It is for conservation and for education.
Since the education program has started here, more than 7,000 people has reached on island through the education program. And this is very important because for the school education trip, we prepare these kids to be the future conservationists, future fishermen, and the future people who will look after their resources.
Education has been the backbone of the project from the very beginning. I'm an educationist, so that's the main motivation why I did it.
When they are here, they get a full training, and when they go back, actually we expect them to be peer educator to their school.
The main objective of Chumbe is for protection of coral reefs.
Yeah, I have a message for those tourists. First, we tell them they are warmly welcome to Chumbe Island because we have a unique thing which available in Chumbe. Is only Chumbe which able to do environmental conservation in a 100%. Nothing else. If they want to prove it, welcome to Chumbe. We'll prove it.